Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one I will be teaching you how to use Relevance AI WhatsApp agent for 2025. So this is super easy. Let me show you. You can see I have an agent already here and this is called Echo. You can see on the left side we can create guidelines for your agent. So this is basically a section to optimize our model or agent. Now if you want to build a model, or you can say like Relevance AI WhatsApp agent, what you can do is simply head over to your tools, and in here you can see we have this option. Let me just actually go back and head over to the tools section and click on new tool. So now if I want to create a new tool which is gonna be acting as a WhatsApp agent, what I can do here is, let me just go to tools again. So I'm going to be typing in here, clicking on new tool, and just type in here WhatsApp agent. Right now I can click on this start option and it will be just loading up, and it will be asking you a couple of questions. So you can see on the left side are basically the query that we just entered in here is basically um, building up. So it is asking, could you clarify your request? Are you looking to build an agent that sends WhatsApp messages, reads messages, and manages WhatsApp chats? What specific action should the WhatsApp agent perform? So let's just say send messages, right? So I'm going to be simply entering that. Just press enter. Our agent is basically now developing already. Should the agent send WhatsApp messages to individual contacts, groups, or both? Do you want to include attachment files or just text? So let's just say individual person, right? So I'm going to be typing in here in the people and groups as well. And yes, attachments as well. Press enter. So now our agent is going to be really capable of sending messages to groups, to individual people, to different kind of attachments could be attached as well. So you can see the agent is already going good. Now all we need to do is simply connect our WhatsApp, and to do that we are going to be needing to run our tool. But before that, make sure you connect your WhatsApp. So you can see it is basically now here. Now if I simply run tool, it is going to be popping an error, and it's going to be saying that enter a value for account. So what we need to do is simply add the ID. So you can simply connect that. So you can see we have a recipient ID here, and we have message content that we can add. And you can see here we need to add basically our WhatsApp. So basically once we do that, simply accept it, and you can see this is error, and now we need to enter our WhatsApp here. And once I provide the account, it is going to be clicking on add account. So you can see we have two chat, and we can add a phone number here and a different type of stuff. So this is going to be for the WhatsApp. You can see the label, and yeah, that is about it. And that's how you can use Relevance AI WhatsApp agent. Thank you so much for watching, and also head over to the link in the description to access Relevance AI. It is going to be helping you to simply sign into the dashboard. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.